Living among the leaves, brothers embark on ambitious 12-meter treehouse project. For most, a treehouse is a childhood dream, a secret hideaway built with scrap wood and a dash of imagination. But for two brothers, that dream has grown into something far more ambitious, building a fully fledged, 12-meter, approximately 40-foot, high dwelling nestled amongst the branches. This isn't your typical backyard fort. These brothers are undertaking a serious construction project, blending engineering prowess with a deep respect for nature. Their goal? To create a sustainable and inspiring living space that integrates seamlessly with its arboreal environment. The allure of the canopy. The appeal of living in a treehouse is undeniable. Beyond the inherent novelty, it offers a unique perspective on the world. Imagine waking up to the gentle rustling of leaves, surrounded by birdsong, and bathed in the dappled sunlight filtered through the canopy. It's a life closer to nature, a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. For these brothers, the project represents more than just a quirky home. It's a testament to their ingenuity, their commitment to sustainability, and their shared passion for adventure. They see it as an opportunity to reconnect with the natural world and inspire others to do the same. Engineering the dream. Building a 12-meter treehouse is no easy feat. It requires careful planning, precision engineering, and a deep understanding of tree biomechanics. The brothers likely spent countless hours researching the best methods for supporting the structure without harming the host tree. Key considerations would include tree selection. Choosing a healthy, mature tree capable of bearing the weight of the structure is paramount. Species, age, and root system strength all play a crucial role. Support systems. Traditional bolting methods can injure trees. Modern techniques often involve specialized treehouse attachment bolts, tabs, designed to allow the tree to continue growing naturally. Alternatively, a combination of stilts and platforms can be used to support the structure independently of the tree. Material choice. Lightweight, sustainable materials are essential. Recycled wood, bamboo, and even innovative composite materials can be used to minimize the impact on the environment. Safety considerations. A 12-meter drop is a serious risk. Robust railings, secure access points, like staircases or ropes courses, and emergency escape routes are crucial for ensuring safety. A sustainable sanctuary. Beyond the technical challenges, the brothers are also focused on creating a sustainable living space. This likely includes incorporating features like rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater provides a sustainable source of water for drinking, washing, and gardening. Solar power. Harnessing the sun's energy can provide electricity for lighting, appliances, and other needs. Composting toilet. Reducing water consumption and creating nutrient-rich compost for the surrounding trees. Natural ventilation. Utilizing natural air currents to regulate temperature and reduce the need for air conditioning. More than just a house. This 12-meter treehouse is more than just a building, it's a symbol of imagination, creativity, and a deep connection to nature. It demonstrates that with dedication, ingenuity, and a little bit of daring, we can create unique and sustainable living spaces that inspire us to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the natural world. While the specific details of the brothers' project remain under wraps, their ambitious endeavor serves as a reminder that the only limit to our dreams is our own imagination. Their completed treehouse promises to be a truly remarkable feat of engineering and a testament to the power of human ingenuity. We eagerly await updates and hope that their story inspires others to embrace the unconventional and seek a closer connection with nature.